Righto, well here goes. This is my first attempt at using the GoPro for a drive home. In future, hopefully this will be motorcycle video log, but for today, for safety reasons, while I practice, I'll just do this in the car. Chuck a left down Cathedral Avenue, on our way to Nana's for dinner. There's the cathedral, as built by Monsignor Hawes. Light traffic this afternoon. Only get a peak hour of about 20 minutes usually. A mild afternoon today. It's been hot and dry, but it's sort of a little bit cooler and overcast today, which is nice. Be nice to be on the RG250 instead of in the tin top. Maybe tomorrow. So if we keep going on this road, it'll take us all the way to Perth. If we chuck a left up there, go to Carnarvon, Meekatharra, etc. If we chuck a right down there and go out to the lighthouse, down to the beach. Silver Sovereign. Got his license off the Wheaties packet, that bloke.